Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to continue with our biology practicals. In the biology practicals, we have completed two practicals slide preparations and then we have completed two spots. Two spots of the two plants and two animals found in the xeric conditions and comment upon their morphological adaptations. So, children, today we are going to start our next spot, which is the aquatic animal, which is found in the aquatic condition and comment upon their morphological adaptations. So, children, in your biology practical exam, there is a diagram is provided you, and then the diagram, with the help of the diagram, you should label it. Okay, it's labeling. It's not done. Okay, ये labeling नहीं की हुई होगी, but you should do the labeling. Okay, and first identify the specimen. So this is the specimen of bony fish. There are caudal fins are there, scales of their body, dorsal fin, lateral line, its eyes, nostril, mouth region, operculum, and then pectoral fins, pelvic fins, anal cord. Okay, so children, minimum you should do the 4 labeling. Okay, you should learn the 4 labeling. अभी आपको लर्न सारा ही कर लेना है. इन योर एग्जाम यू शुड लेबल एनी 4 and then first you should write down the name of the specimen, the given specimen of the bony fish, and then to study the ecological adaptation in the aquatic mode of the life with the help of the images of the animal. This is your object. So children, you should write down the comments on it. The first comment is the body of the bony fish is streamlined. Like streamlined means क्या होता है? Streamlined means boat shape. Boat shape की इसकी body है. ठीक है? Then second is the appendages are in the form of pectoral, pelvic, dorsal, anal, lateral and the caudal fins, which all help in the swimming process. The gills are present for the breathing, and the lateral line sense the organs are present for the equilibrium, and the body is also covered by the dermal scales. So children, these are the general comments. The next specimen of the aquatic region is the whale. So children, this is the diagram of the whale. You can label the diagram any 4 like nostril, mouth region, paddle, the anus, pectoral fins. Okay, any 4. So you should write down the comments that the given specimen is an aquatic mammals. It is whale and the appendages are modified into the paddles for their swimming process. The body is also streamlined. So it is help in the swimming process. So children, the conclusion of these specimens that the aquatic animals are found in the water and are exposed to the following ecological stress conditions like hypotonic environment due to the excessive stress of the excessive water. Okay, there are excess of the water all around their body, and the high barometric pressure due to the large amount of water. There is a scarcity of the oxygen as it is less soluble in water, and also restricted the availability of the green vegetations. So children, the ecological adaptation that are found in the aquatic animals to combat the various ecological stress conditions, if the examiner will ask you, so you can say that the body of the aquatic animals is slippery, and we can say the streamline, which is ideal for the aquatic mode of life. Aquatic animals have fins, and children generally they paddles for the locomotion instead of the limbs. Children, we can say that they have the gills for the exchange of gases to absorb the oxygen from the water. And also the aquatic animals excrete out ammonia and throw out lot of water along with the ammonia. This process helps in the neutralizing the hypotonic environment of the water. We can say next is the skin of the aquatic animals may have the scales which can prevent the entry of the water into their body, and the gills of the aquatic animals are capable of throwing out the salts to neutralize the hypotic environment of the water. So children, these adaptations, these ecological stress conditions you should learn. Okay, so these are the two spots. First specimen is the bony fish and the second is the whale. So you can easily identify. Okay, again you can see properly, this is the bony fish and the second is the whale. Okay, and learn all the comments. Examiner can ask you the question, any question from this spot, like the name the ecological adaptation in the aquatic mode of life that I have explained you. And next another question, that name the ecological problems in the aquatic mode of life, like for example plenty of water, scarcity of oxygen, pressure due to the water, like this. Okay children, so hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Thank you children. Today's your homework is to learn both the specimen, both the ecological adaptation of the aquatic regions, and the you should practice to write down all the answers in only 2 minutes. Okay, you have very less time in your exam, so you should write down fast and draw a well labeled diagram. Thank you children.